Okay, try na tayo ng cheese sticks. Yay!
Ano naman to?
That's ketchup with mayo.
But not ketchup.
Natawa na ka ni Diana, oh. Oh, dip. Okay, try it. Come on.
I didn't eat it.
Oh, ba't isasawsaw mo? Oh. Oh, sige, kainin mo. Try it. Try.
Mama, fish.
Ano lasa?
I don't like ketchup. It's throw up.
Throw up daw.
Don't think daddy.
Ba't kasi mo? Ngumangka ka daw.
It's not.
Nagsisiw.
It don't did.
Don't dip it sa ketchup. Sige, masarap ang cheese sticks. Oh.
Mistake and I'm sorry.
Nagkamali.